Hey there, it's Erica Henry with coffeeandcoloring.com, and today I wanted to tell you about a Kickstarter that I have. I've had a lot of requests to do special edition copies of my different coloring books that I have out, and a lot of requests have been to be spiral bound, and a lot of requests have been to be on cardstock and also perforated pages. So I'm starting a Kickstarter so I can give this to you. Inspired by Nature Special Edition will include 25 hand-drawn illustrations, a spiral binding, perforated cardstock for easy removal and durability. There is a clear cover on the front to protect the book, and every page is printed on cardstock, and the image pages will be printed on perforated cardstock for easy removal. Thank you so much, and I hope that you grab your copy. Bye.